Here are some key takeaways from the working capital management strategies that CFOs are adopting to navigate this challenging environment. Understanding the impact of rising interest rates. Rising interest rates have significantly impacted the cost of borrowing, making it more expensive for companies to access capital. This has forced CFOs to rethink their working capital management strategies to ensure they can maintain their cash flow and meet their financial obligations. Key takeaways. Rising interest rates have increased the cost of borrowing for companies. This has put pressure on CFOs to find alternative funding strategies. In this context, digital-first financial tools are becoming increasingly important for corporate growth. The rise of digital-first financial tools. The shift toward digital-first financial tools is driven by the need for corporate growth and the increasing adoption of digital technologies. Virtual cards boost security, reduce risk, and improve cash flow management in commercial travel and agriculture. The rise of virtual cards in commercial travel. The commercial travel sector has witnessed a significant surge in the adoption of virtual cards, with a 45% increase in virtual card use over the past year. This trend is not limited to the travel industry alone, as agriculture has also seen a substantial rise in commercial card adoption, linked to a 21% increase in supplier payment integration and improved cash flow efficiency. Key benefits of virtual cards in commercial travel. Increased security. Virtual cards offer a higher level of security compared to traditional credit cards, as they are not stored on physical devices and are not subject to the same level of theft and loss. Reduced risk of fraud. Virtual cards are less susceptible to fraud, as they do not contain sensitive information such as card numbers and expiration dates. Improved cash flow management. Virtual cards enable businesses to better manage their cash flow, as they can track and control transactions in real time. Enhanced compliance. Virtual cards can help businesses comply with regulatory requirements, such as anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. The impact of virtual cards on agriculture. The impact of virtual cards on agriculture. The adoption of virtual cards in agriculture has led to a 21% increase in supplier payment integration and improved cash flow efficiency. This is particularly significant for farmers and agricultural businesses, who often rely on suppliers for inputs and services. The manufacturing sector achieved $4.1 million in average bottom-line benefits from reduced interest, inventory carrying costs, and supplier discounts. The rise of external working capital solutions. The use of external working capital solutions has become increasingly popular among companies, particularly in the agriculture and manufacturing sectors. This trend is driven by the need for businesses to manage their working capital more efficiently and effectively. Benefits of external working capital solutions. Companies that use external working capital solutions report significant benefits, including reduced interest costs, lower inventory carrying costs, improved supplier discounts, increased cash flow, enhanced financial flexibility. These benefits can have a substantial impact on a company's bottom line, as demonstrated by the following statistics. The agriculture sector achieved an average of $8 million in bottom-line benefits from reduced interest, inventory carrying costs, and supplier discounts. How external working capital solutions work. How external working capital solutions work. External working capital solutions involve partnering with a financial institution to access additional capital to support business operations. This can include invoice financing, factoring, and other forms of working capital financing. Key features of external working capital solutions: access to additional capital to support business operations, reduced interest costs and fees, improved cash flow management, enhanced financial flexibility, ability to focus on core business activities. Case studies. Real-world examples of external working capital solutions. Several companies have successfully implemented external working capital solutions to achieve significant benefits. Customized payment terms can improve supplier relationships and increase cash flow. The manufacturing sector saw a 25% increase in early payment rates. The construction sector experienced a 21% increase in early payment rates. The benefits of customization in payment systems. Understanding the impact of customization. Customization in payment systems allows businesses to tailor their payment terms to meet the specific needs of their suppliers. This can include offering flexible payment schedules, discounts for early payment, or other incentives to encourage suppliers to provide goods or services on time. Improved supplier relationships. By offering customized payment terms, businesses can build stronger relationships with their suppliers, leading to increased trust and loyalty. As 2025 unfolds, the future could belong to those who treat working capital not just as a financial metric but as a strategic asset.